Alright, we're back. I got a little bit more grinding to do, but that's kind of how it came out. I'm actually happy with it. Was that good enough to get me hired somewhere? No. But I'm actually kind of happy with it. So I actually tried sticking this over there on the MGB, and it's fitting okay. But I guess what I'll do is I will clean this up. I'll finish my grinding here. I'll clean this up. I'll throw some vinegar water on here, get all the rust off. Probably pour 15 the underside. And then I guess the next step I'll probably do is I'll probably see about spraying this. See how good I am at possibly spraying. Throw some Bondo on that and call that a day. Not bad. But thanks for watching. Get a side view of it. But as far as me, Chris, and over there on B-26354, I hope you did something, and if you can practice on something, just like what Pete said, you keep practicing and you're going to get better, and you're going to get better, and you're going to get better. So as far as that literally is the first time I've done that, I think it came out okay. First time. Now if I keep doing it and doing it and doing it, I better get better at this. So I think it came out alright. I'm happy. Satisfied. But as far as everything over here, still kicking. You know. So I'll end up keeping this fender. Actually, I may end up taking the other fender, and because the bottom piece on that one is bad. And these aren't that expensive. I think it's only like 60, 70 bucks. So I may end up doing the same thing on the other one. On the other one. The other one's more beat up. Let's check out the other one real quick. You know, here's the other one. This is why I kind of stopped on that one. I'd have to freaking throw Bondo on that and clean all that up, fix that. There's the rust down there. I mean, it's not really a bad fender, but it also looks like somebody like shot it with a shotgun or something like that. A not very powerful one, but you know, but oh, and right there, look at all that crap. So, you know, I may end up doing that with that just for practice, but you know, I would be wasting a panel and 60 bucks if I did that, so I might not do that. But you know, if you can, go out, you know, go out to the junkyard, just get a fender. It doesn't have to be a perfect fender, you know. If it's messed up over here, just take the fender, cut it, put the lip there, and then put the piece that you cut off up. It's not like the fender's worth anything, so that'll help you go back and forth. You're not ruining anything that you're actually putting on a car, so you know. As far as everything else goes, barely see my face. There we go. As far as everything else goes, you know, be cool, take it easy, subscribe, like, share.